Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to download shows from HBO Max on your iPhone. Quick, simple, and step-by-step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the HBO Max app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store and sign in to your account. Step 2. Find the movie or show you want to download. Step 3. Tap the download icon, the downward arrow, next to the episode or movie title. Step 4. Wait for the download to finish. You can check its progress in the Downloads tab at the bottom of the screen. Step 5. Once complete, open Downloads anytime to watch your content offline without Wi-Fi or data. That's it. Now you can enjoy your favorite HBO Max shows anywhere, anytime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials.